Hello, welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing a two-part mini home office makeover series with you guys before 2025. I wanted to declutter and switch things up before 2025, which is right before my third trimester, and have a good and clean space to hang out before and after birth. I have accumulated so much stuff this year and storage is all over the place, so this is the time to tidy up and switch things around, and I'm excited to bring you along. I did a full home office makeover last year. If you haven't watched that video yet, I will link it up in the cards up above and down below for you to check out. But this year we are keeping it simple. We're doing a mini version instead, so I'm excited to bring you along. So today is part one of our mini home office makeover, and it will focus mainly on my desk setup. I'm currently using Branch Furniture's standing desk, but they recently came out with a new desk called the 4-leg standing desk. It looks a lot different than your normal standing desk, so I will be unboxing it and sharing the whole process with you guys. I did pick the same top, which is a light wood color, which was what you see right now. So it might not look that much of a difference, but for the legs, it does look a lot different. So this will be even a small mini desk makeover, and at the same time, I'll be switching things in and out and keeping things a little bit more minimal. There's just things that I've had on my desk for a while that I probably don't use anymore, and that I can start taking those things out and add some new things in, or just keep it more simple. So let's get in. If you haven't been to my channel yet, welcome. My name is Holly from Life with Holly Lifestyles. I'm so excited to share with you my life as a content creator. If you also love desk, productivity, tech, or lifestyle videos, or any of that, or all of that, make sure you're subscribed. Without further ado, let's get in.
Moonlight peeks through the curtains. Another night, another fight. How do you feel? Are you hurting? Maybe we should take some time. I think I tend to take you for granted, but I think with me you're misunderstanding. You say you think you might just abandon us. Don't leave, no.
Okay, this is the intermission of my video, and I want to share with you my favorite things in the world, which is makeup. Merit sent me some goodies to test out and share with you guys. They're actually doing a Black Friday sale right now. There's 20% off store-wide. I have shared Merit videos in previous videos, and I actually love their product because they're super natural, perfect for everyday looks. And the cutest thing ever is that during this time, they're giving away a signature bag, but instead of their regular signature bag, they have this super cute small one. It is so cute in this nice blue color, and you can fit all your favorite little products in here, which I'm be sharing with you today. But I'll make sure to link everything that I mention down below for you to check out, along with all the details of the sale. But we have a bunch of products here that I wanted to share. One of my favorite is their Flush Balm Trio. This is their mini version. It comes in a set. This is perfect for traveling. I absolutely love products that are smaller to travel with. I stocked up on my favorite Bronze Balm. This is probably one of my favorite makeup products that I use in a everyday basis. And then I also picked up some brow products, one that I already use and one that I'm going to try out. So let's get into this mini review. So I've already put a little bit of the brow pomade on. I feel like this is actually getting super old, which is why I decided for my free gift to grab a new one because I love this so much. I checked back my when I got this product, it was back in September of 2022, so I've used this for 2 years, so maybe it is definitely time for a new one. I feel like it's starting to dry out, so super happy that I picked up a new one. So I got it in the shade dark brown. The one previously I have is brown, so hopefully this is not too dark. My hair is a lot darker than before, so that is why I got a darker color instead. And it looks like they did change it up a little bit compared to before, and the new one definitely looks a lot better. I'm just gonna put it on super quick. As you see, my eyebrows look a little darker. It definitely made a difference. Definitely needed a new one a while ago. I also picked up their Brow 1990. It's the sheer gel pencil. I've never tried this one before, so this was something new. It came in a set. Make sure to purchase them in sets because they do have a discount with those, and you get a 2 product to go. So this is how it looks like. It's super thin, so I'm actually thinking this would be really good for precise lining. So as you see, it is super, super thin. I'm gonna do this off camera because I don't have glasses on. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Today was definitely not a brow day, so it's not gonna be perfect. I'm not really good at doing my brows, but I think I like it. It is nice and thin. It's really precise and easy to use. And I always love a brow with a spoolie at the back because sometimes it looks a little harsh, and then you can use the spoolie to kind of soften out a little bit, which I really, really like. So far I am loving this. It is pretty small, and I twisted it at least once while using it. I feel like this product's gonna be used pretty quick, especially if you use it every single day. But I don't use it every single day. I only use it when I film videos. So that's basically maybe once or twice a week. So I'm enjoying this one. So I don't have any blush or bronzer on. My favorite I always use in every single video, even though this was sent to me also 2 years ago. I absolutely love this, and this is one of my favorite bronzers to use. It is the Merit Bronze Balm in Clay. As you see, it's well loved. You can see a lot of marks on it, but I feel like this is gonna be, I still have this much after 2 years of using it. So I did get a restock of that one so that I have a backup one after I use this. This one is in the shade Clay, which I got the same one. And yeah, so I got this as a restock. My camera died, but I was saying how I absolutely love this one, and I have a restock, and I'm super happy about that. Thank you, Merit, for sending that. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit. I love just applying it on the side of my face and then on the jawline to give it a little bit more snatch. And since this product is very natural and it blends super easily and it's not too harsh, I can put a lot on and then blend it out really, really nicely with a brush. So as you see, it just blends in really easily and it just looks super natural on. And sometimes I just like it more natural, so you can kind of tell that you're wearing a lot of makeup. And that's kind of my goal when I wear my makeup, for sure. And whatever I have left, I usually put it on the top, but I usually don't put too much up there, but that's how it looks. Lastly are these super cute mini Flush Balm trios. They came out with this mini size for gifts, so it's perfect if you want to give it out to your friends. You can make a cute little makeup pouch for them, make a bag of your favorite stuff. You can do that, or you can just keep it for yourself, give it as a gift in general. This is how it normally looks like. I'm gonna open it up so you can see how it looks. So this is how it looks, and then this is a regular one next to it. Super small. These are perfect for traveling. I do love smaller products for traveling because it just really, really helps. There's 3 different colors here. This one is super cute, super bright too. I'm usually more liking the darker tones, especially for the fall and winter. So this is another one here. And then last but not least, we have this one here. I'll also link it down below so you can check it out to see what colors these are. And these are perfect for traveling for sure. It's basically the same as the regular size one. It's just a little bit smaller. You just twist it on and then you just put it on. And as mentioned, these products are super natural and very clean, so I always like using these for my natural days, which is mainly most of the time, but usually when I film, then I probably put a little bit more so it can show up on camera a little bit. But if you're just doing everyday kind of look, I would definitely pick up these. The one I'm currently using is Beverly Hills. This is the full-size version, but that's pretty much it, and my makeup is pretty much done right now. Usually I do a setting spray to kind of seal everything in, and I'm good to go. So now my makeup is all ready to go, and I hope you enjoyed this portion of the video. Remember, I'll link everything that I mentioned down below for you to check out, and thank you, Merit, for sending me these goodies. I can't wait to add these to my routine and in my makeup bag, but that's it for this portion.
Misunderstanding. You say you think you might just abandon us. Don't leave, no, please not now. If you need to breathe, we can figure this out. Don't pack the bags, don't leave the keys. Find your peace and clarity. Take a day, take a week. Baby, just stay with me. get through until you ask me what I want. Don't leave, no, please not now. If you need to breathe, we can figure this out. Don't pack the bags, don't leave the keys. Find your peace and clarity. Take a day, take a week. Baby, just stay with me. Did you really mean it? Are you thinking you might run? Maybe we should sleep on it. Just wait till the morning comes. 'Cause yes, I really mean it. I'm half the man when you're not around. Baby, we can make it. Oh, to us. Don't leave, no, please not now. If you need to breathe, we can figure this out. Don't pack the bags, don't leave the keys. Find your peace and clarity. Take a day, take a week. Baby, just stay with me.
So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed part 1 of my mini home office makeover. I've been loving this new desk setup, and I feel like this 4-leg standing desk has been a lot more clean compared to my other standing desks. Make sure to stay tuned for part 2 of my mini home office makeover. The next part, I'll be focusing more on the rest of my home office and tidying things up, storage, and all that fun stuff. So I'll bring you along next time. That video will be out in a couple of weeks. And thank you, Branch Furniture, for sending me the 4-leg standing desk. It just looks a lot more minimal and a lot clean, and I'm so excited to be using it for 2025. I'll also make sure to link it down below in the description if you want to check it out. And that's pretty much it. Don't forget to follow me at Life with Holly Lifestyles on Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!